How to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Pro. Hello and welcome back everybody to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with some steps to toggle up the hardware acceleration. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by opening our Google Chrome, and once we open it up, we can look at the three vertical dots in the top right corner and select settings from the given menu. Once we select settings on the left hand side menu, we can just go over and look out for the option called system, and inside system we can just go over and toggle the switch or use graphic acceleration when available. So you can just go over and toggle it off or toggle it on and relaunch your device. If you have option for use hardware acceleration when available, you can use that option as well. And once you toggle it off or on, you can find a relaunch option. You can just go and click on that button that appears next to that toggle. And if you enable it, this is used to improve the performance, reduce the CPU usage, and speed up the media heavy tasks by offloading work to your GPU. If you just go over and disable it, you can use this to fix the issues with black screens, freezing, or lagging video playback, especially if you have an older or incompatible graphics driver. And that's it. This feature helps with rendering performances, but also can cause issues with the same graphics driver, but usually this is how we toggle it on or off, enable or disable it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.